Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have stage 63 of Hero Collecting Eaglemoss's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so this is the first one of issue 18. So yeah, we finished off issue 17 last time, so we're moving on to issue 18 in this one. So what we're doing with this one, we're doing stage 63 today, which is this here. Let me show you the parts and what we get and what we're doing. So this is the magazine we get. I'll show you that in a sec, but these are the parts here. No idea what they are, but yeah, I'm sure we'll find out in a sec. So this is your magazine. So stage 63 is just here. In this stage you receive more gadgets for the rear cargo area for your Ecto 1 model. So it's to go in the back of the cargo area. And as you can see, we've got more wires and everything to do. So this is the fitting the latitude longitude processor. Latitude and longitude processor is what we're making in this one. And we also fitted the sound reproducer and installing the component station. So there's like a component station that's going to go in the back of the Ecto 1 just down there. I'll just give you a quick glance at what's coming up. I am a bit behind, so as you can see, we're putting another part in there, and the gurney rails are going to go in, and we actually fit the dashboard in that issue as well, stage 64. So looking forward to that one. Stage 65 is loads of wires and stuff in there. So we've got this part to hold in the speaker, installing the speaker in that one. And yeah, we actually seal the floor pan down onto the bottom of the car. So yeah, that'll be a good issue. And then that's what we should have left over at the end of that one. Coming up in the next one, we have the LEDs and ceiling light system. So this is all the LEDs for the top of the car, but they're actually in the bottom of the car. So as you can see, there's going to be loads of little wires. We've got to be plugging in loads of wires, cables, switches. Look, yeah, so yeah, wants us to test the light, switch it on. We're going to be testing the lights in that one. So this is all coming up soon. And we should have all of these lights working. And then we can press the buttons on the dashboard. And it should have all sounds and all the lights and everything should work. But we're going to be ending up with loads of little wires sticking out at the end of that, the Just 66. Also in here, we've got the foam zone, the frog ghost. Look at that ugly thing. Supervising spooks, and your Ecto 101, and what's coming up in the next issue, which is issue 19, which I do also have. And yeah, I can't wait to get on that because we get loads of parts in the frame and some more wires. Yeah, so I do have issues 18 and 19 here, so I've got 8 issues of the Ecto 1 to catch up on, and thinking before even issue 20 comes. So I need to pull my finger out and start getting these builds done. So yeah, with that being said, without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so once you've got the parts out the packaging, you should have this grey plastic strip here. This is what all the components are going to go on. So we're going to need these two here first, this one and this one here. And these are going to go on here, so they just fit on. One is going to go here, get pushed in here. So let's push that one in first. That's one. And the other one is going to go just here. So we can screw them down. On the back, we're going to be putting some AP screws. They did give us quite a few AP screws in here. That's the only screw they gave us this time. So it looks like we're going to be just using AP screws. And again, they are silver, which is nice. So we want to turn them over, and a screw is going just in the back, just that. So that's the first one. Let's get this one back on, and then an AP screw in the back of there. Drop that down into there and start screwing this down. Make sure that is on there. Just like that. So you should have them facing the opposite way, just like that. Next, we're going to have these two details going on. Now these do go a certain way. We want them facing this way, sort of in towards. There is like a location peg on there, so we can't really put them in the wrong way. So let's get this one on. There we are, that's that one in. And then an AP screw again in the bottom. So that's that one in, and the next one is going just in the middle of these two details here. There we are. And an AP screw in that hole as well. Let's get this one down. There we are. The final detail is going to go on the end here, and we want this facing in the way. It sort of has like a back is smooth, has this detail on the front and this side. So this side, this detail wants to face the end just like that. So then another AP screw on the bottom of that one. There we are. That's what you should have up until this point, with all those details on there. So now we need to bring in the cargo area, and we're going to install this in the back of the cargo area. Alright, so we are going just down here. There's a little strip of holes there that's got the indentations in, and that's where we're going. We need to line this up on there with the holes, just like so. And then we're going to want to put 1, 2, 3, 4 AP screws down there as well. So I'm going to go into this one first. And then I'm going to do the end one down here. Two more to go. So the first one of these two I'm going to put in this one in the center. And the final one I'm going to put in the end. So that's one going in there. And there you are. That is this stage built complete. And yeah, look at that. Cargo area is starting to look pretty full now, which is really, really good. So coming up next time, we're installing the gurney rails. So there you are, guys. That is stage 63 of the Ecto 1, all complete. Really, really quick and easy video that is, and yeah, adds a bit more detail to the back of the cargo area. So yeah, it's looking really, really good at the minute. Really, really happy with it. So join me again tomorrow, guys. We're going to have some Build a DeLorean tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you then. Till next time, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.